Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm reviewing these meal prep containers, a 50-pack of single compartment containers perfect for meal prepping, lunches, and more. These containers are designed for easy meal prepping and portion control. Each container holds 16 ounces, which is a good size for a single meal. They are made from durable, food-grade plastic that's both microwave and dishwasher safe. I've been using these containers for a while now, and I'm really impressed with them. Here's what I like. Durability. They're surprisingly sturdy for plastic containers. I've dropped a few, and they've held up well. Leak-proof. The lids seal tightly, which is essential for transporting food. Microwave and dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze. Stackable. They stack neatly in the fridge or freezer, saving space. Great value. You get 50 containers for a very reasonable price. Pros: durable, leak-proof, microwave, and dishwasher-safe stackable, affordable. Good size for single meals. Cons: some users have mentioned that they are a bit smaller than expected. Overall, I highly recommend these meal prep containers. They are a fantastic value and offer great convenience for meal prepping, lunches, and storing leftovers. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable solution for your meal prep needs, these containers are definitely worth checking out. I've included a link to these containers in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these containers or have any other meal prep tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you.